Hey guys! Welcome to the second video of the Fundamental series. This is Mehek and I'm going to explain to you what exactly robotics is. If you guys have ever watched the movie 3 Idiots, you must be knowing that a machine is anything that reduces human effort. But then what is a robot? Is it the same or is it any different? And if it is different, then how so? A machine can be classified as a robot if it can think, sense, and act. These are the three main pillars of robotics, which will be elaborated further in the upcoming video. So where did the word robot even come from? Well, the word robot comes from the Czech word robota, which means forced labor. So now that we know what exactly robots are, what is robotics? Robotics is basically the study of robots. It requires an interdisciplinary approach and integrates physics, different branches of engineering, and computer science. Now, you must be wondering, why do we even need robots? Well, there are two main reasons. Firstly, a robot is far more efficient than a human and is programmed for precise, repetitive motion and is less likely to make any mistakes. Secondly, we can delegate dangerous tasks to robots instead of humans. Now, as you know, everything has its own pros and cons. Just like that, even robots have their own disadvantages. Their two main disadvantages are, firstly, that they're restricted to the programming and can't think out of the box. Secondly, that they're pretty expensive. You know, there's a common misconception that robots are a technology of the future. But the reality is that they're already here, helping us do things so much harder, better, faster, and stronger. Let's take the COVID situation for an example. Robots have become very essential to us during this difficult time. Look at these images. In this image, we can see robotic arms being used to collect samples for COVID. Over here, a robot is being used to spread awareness about COVID. In Colombia, a company deployed a fleet of robots to deliver takeout to people during lockdown. Some students have even used robots to walk on stage during their graduation ceremonies. Kind of reminds me of Sheldon Cooper, doesn't it? These robots and drones have really assisted with delivery of emergency supplies, thermal screening, and large-scale sanitization during COVID. That's it for this video, guys. Keep a lookout for the next one. Happy learning!